The Edinger Sewer Project is a project to replace the existing sewer in Edinger Avenue from essentially the railroad tracks that are just east of Gothard, all the way up to almost Beach Boulevard, just short up to about the In and Out. And the old sewer had two problems. One, it was undersized for the new hotel that was built and for the In and Out. And also it had a sag at the end. So the sewer's coming all the way down, and at the very end it had a sag before it connected to the sanitation district lines. So that sag meant that that part of the sewer was filling up with water and grease and becoming a constant maintenance problem. And then with the added hotel and In and Out, it was a capacity problem too. So this project will replace that sewer all the way up to the In and Out from Gothard or just from the railroad tracks. And then some of the issues that we've had with this project, it's a difficult project in as much as you've got very high groundwater. So dewatering the project and the work that's being done to dewatering the project is a big part of the project. The way the dewatering system works is for the first leg, say first block of the project, they put in about 24 of these little wells that are sucking the water out, treating it and dumping it. So they've got to get that water table down below the new sewer so that they can do that in the dry and install it in the dry. And so this dewatering system has to move block by block as the project progresses. So before they go to the next block, they have to set up the dewatering system, run it for a week, and they can start to dig. And so if you go out to the site, you can see the tanks out there, and those are storage and treatment tanks that are capturing, pulling the water out of the ground, treating it, and putting it back into the storm drain. And the reason they're treating it is because in this area of Edinger Avenue, there was a J.C. Penney auto shop that had leaky gas tanks. And so that gasoline went into the soils and into the groundwater table. And then down at the other end by Beach Boulevard, there was a Chevron, same problem, leaky gas tanks, contaminated soils and water. So we found this out when we were doing the design by doing soil borings, and we found out that there was gasoline in it. And so we did our research. We found out, working with the Orange County Health Agency, who the legally responsible parties were. And they're working with us because this added cost to treat that water and to haul off soil that smells like gasoline is an added cost that's not the city's responsibility. We didn't put that contamination there. And so we're working with DJM Capital and Chevron and the Orange County Health Agency to make sure that the city doesn't have to pay those extra costs. And those are being tabulated and will be invoiced to those agencies at the end, or to those entities at the end.